Today we presented Lifetime Partner 24, Driving Growth, our strategic plan for the next 3 years. This plan marks an important new chapter in the 190-year history of the group, and it is built around an even stronger commitment to being a lifetime partner to our customers. This ambition was a key element of our Generali 2021 strategy, and it is even more important today as we find ourselves still facing the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic. Our commitment is to be there for our customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, providing sound, personalized advice while leveraging on digital technology to ensure easy, immediate access. With the confirmation of key financial targets and goals, the Generali 2021 was a great success. It focused on optimization, while the new plan is about growth. In the next 3 years, we will strengthen our leadership in Europe and foothold in fast-growing markets, maintain our unrivaled financial strength in all market conditions, champion sustainability to be the originator of our strategy, enhance the lifetime partner ambition for our customers, and accelerate our digital transformation to make Generali a recognized data-driven innovator. We will do this by working on 3 key strategic pillars. The first one is sustainable growth. We will deliver this across core and emerging business lines while continuing to successfully manage our costs. The second pillar is about enhancing our earnings profile. This will happen by improving the profitability of our life business, redeploying capital to new profitable growth initiatives, and further developing our asset management business. And third, we will lead innovation both in insurance and asset management. We will focus on data and the customer experience, scaling up our use of automation and technology, particularly in claims management, to improve operating efficiency. As a result of all these actions, we will keep delivering robust earnings, increased cash generation, and higher dividends to our shareholders, while creating sustainable value for all our stakeholders. Sustainability is the true originator of this plan. It is and will continue to be deeply integrated into everything we do, in line with our commitment to play our part towards a more resilient and just society. As we begin this new chapter, we will continue to be guided by our purpose to enable people to shape a safer and more sustainable future by caring for their lives and dreams. On behalf of our 72,000 colleagues and 165,000 agents all around the world, I thank you for your ongoing interest in our company.